Hello everyone, my name is Malathy Madhavan. I'm a passionate software tester with 10 years of experience in software development and testing. I'm here to talk about my thoughts on testing trend in 2021. Over the recent years, we have seen that decoupling the client and the server is a trend in designing both web and mobile applications. Yes, I'm referring to APIs. More and more companies are moving towards a microservices model for their software applications. It has become all the more appealing to software providers because they allow components of the software to be deployed more quickly. From banks, retails, and transportation to IoT, autonomous vehicles, and smart cities, APIs are a critical part of modern mobile, SaaS, and web applications. By nature, APIs expose application logic and sensitive data, and because of this, it has increasingly become a target for attackers. So, why do you have to test APIs? Here are the few reasons I could think of. It can be reused with unknown and unexpected components. An API is developed for a specific purpose, and then it will be generalized and made publicly available so that it can be reused in more and more applications or components, which in turn demands the teams to test them independent from the application using them. So when APIs are used across client applications and components, testing them is more effective and efficient than testing the client. Another reason why we have to test APIs is to secure endpoints. Just like the end user devices, API endpoints are most vulnerable to attacks, and hence they have to be designed quickly, detect, analyze, block, and contain attacks in progress. OWASP has recently released the API Security Top 10 for 2019. Developers and testers often overlook these aspects. I would recommend considering these during API design and test strategizing. You can read further on API Security Top 10 on the given link. The third one is time effectiveness. API testing takes lesser time compared to functional GUI testing. One of the key reasons for GUI testing to be so time consuming is that it requires you to pull each and every web page elements. API testing, on the other hand, can immensely save the time you spend on GUI testing. For example, it's found that you can conduct 30,000 automated API tests in roughly 9 hours. The same number of GUI tests takes about 50 hours when using parallel execution. With API testing, you require less code, and that facilitates improved and quicker test coverage compared to GUI test. So once you have thoroughly tested your APIs, the lion's share of your functionality testing is done. Lesser time for testing also equates to reduction in testing cost. The trend is that the need for API testing continues to increase, possibly outpacing that of the functionality used by the end users on user interfaces. Having the right process, tool, and solution for API test are more critical than ever. Therefore, it is worth your effort in learning the right strategies for API testing and the best API testing tools for your testing projects in 2021. Thank you.